Welcome to the Daily Story channel. If you enjoy the story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Once upon a time, in a kingdom filled with light and joy, ruled a wise and brave queen named Nyx. However, the kingdom's magic began to fade, and darkness threatened to take over. Queen Nyx knew she had to venture into the mysterious realm of shadows to retrieve the lost magic and restore balance. Queen Nyx gathered her courage and prepared for the journey. She donned her magical armor, took her enchanted staff, and said goodbye to her loyal subjects. They wished her luck and hoped for her safe return. Queen Nyx traveled to the edge of her kingdom, where the entrance to the realm of shadows lay hidden. As she stepped through the portal, she found herself in a dark, eerie land filled with twisting shadows and faint, eerie lights. As Queen Nyx ventured deeper into the realm of shadows, she encountered shadow creatures that tried to stop her. Using her enchanted staff, she bravely fought them off, determined to reach the heart of the realm and retrieve the lost magic. At the heart of the realm of shadows, Queen Nyx met the Shadow Queen, who guarded the lost magic. The Shadow Queen challenged Nyx, testing her courage and wisdom. Queen Nyx remained steadfast, proving her worth and earning the Shadow Queen's respect. Impressed by Queen Nyx's bravery and wisdom, the Shadow Queen handed her a glowing orb containing the lost magic. Nyx thanked her and promised to use it wisely to restore balance to her kingdom. Queen Nyx journeyed back through the realm of shadows, carefully guarding the orb. She stepped through the portal and returned to her kingdom, greeted with joy and relief by her loyal subjects. With the lost magic restored, Queen Nyx used the orb to bring back light and balance to her kingdom. The shadows retreated and the land flourished once more. The people celebrated their brave and wise queen, knowing they were safe under her rule.